Connecting PayPal to QuickBooks Online allows for seamless tracking of your sales and expenses, simplifying your accounting process. Here's how to set up the integration. Log into QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the banking section. Click on the banking tab on the left-hand menu. Connect your PayPal account. In the banking section, select link account or add account. Type PayPal in the search bar and select PayPal from the results. Log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal login credentials. QuickBooks will request access to your PayPal account to pull in transaction data. Choose your PayPal account type. Select the type of PayPal account you want to connect and click Continue. Set up account mapping. Once connected, you may need to map your PayPal transactions to the appropriate QuickBooks accounts. This ensures accurate categorization of income and expenses. Complete the setup. Review the settings, adjust as necessary, and click Save. QuickBooks will begin importing your PayPal transactions.